Hey everyone, my name is Ty Vaughn from the National Weather Service here at Peachtree City. And today I'll be talking about storm reports. Just a quick reminder of what we need and what you can do to help us out here at the office. Here are some things that you can report to us if you see them. Tornadoes, funnel clouds, and wall clouds. Any hail that you see, preferably at least 1/2 an inch in diameter, or the size of a quarter. Strong winds, 50 miles an hour or greater. Flooding or heavy rainfall at an inch or more per hour. And any damage as a result of wind or hail. If you see any trees down, power lines, or structural damage, those are all things that we'd like to know. Here are some tips for making a report. Use the what, where, when method. Describe what you're seeing and what happened. Describe where it happened. And the more specific you can be, the better for us. And describe when the occurrence happened. You can let us know who you are, and that'll give us the opportunity to call you back if we need more information. However, your name is not a requirement for making a report. There are a couple different ways you can reach us. You can call us on the phone, use the amateur radio, contact us via social media. You can submit your report to law enforcement or the emergency management, and they'll pass them on to us. Or you can submit those reports through the internet at weather.gov/Atlanta. Here's some different ways that you can receive alerts or warnings. The internet, your cell phone, NOAA weather radio, television cable, and outdoor warning sirens. Be sure to have at least 2 ways to receive those alerts. And don't forget the National Weather Service doesn't control the warning sirens. Those are controlled at your county level. For mobile weather, go to mobile.weather.gov. While it's not an app, you can make it an icon display on your mobile phone. You can get warnings, forecasts, and special weather statements. You can even tweet a report using the hashtag GAWX. You can get live satellite and radar, as well as take a look at any hydro or river products recently passed.